This is Bev Brown, Director of Customer Success for IHT. The purpose of this video is to assist teachers with collecting data for their state association. After logging into IHT, click on the orange tab, Assessments. When the next screen appears, click on the green hyperlink, New Assessment. The next screen, Assessment Properties. You'll look for a tag that matches your state association. So for this example, I'm using Mayford. I would click on either the plus or the letters of my association. Each state will be a little bit different because your association will decide what type of assessments they would like to have collected and what should be collected at which grade level. So I'm using this tag here as an example of what each of you would be looking for. The purpose of the various tags are to help define what your responsibilities are, or as you continue to build tags within your own school district, where you can locate different types of measures. After you decide exactly what you're going to be measuring, so I'm just going to click on hopping for grade 1, then you find the class period. It is very important that we only click on one class period. If you click on multiple groups or multiple classes, it's going to take all of those classes, it will rearrange them in alphabetical order. Therefore, you will lose the grouping of your classes. So once again, for which group, you want to do only one group. Otherwise, you will lose your grouping of your class periods. Click on Create Assessment. Then the next screen gives you an option. If you want to input your data here, you can. If you want to click on grade 1, your student names would appear here in alphabetical order, and you would just simply go in and type in whatever the criteria is. Some states are using a count, as I demonstrated here. Some states are using yes, no. So I know the two states that I've already kind of worked with, they had different approaches, which that's what we want. We want IHT to be an assessment tool that allows all of you, whether it's a state, whether it's a district, or teachers within a district, to individualize their assessments to meet the needs of the students they're responsible for. So after you input the data, if you that's all you really have to do for your state. Now, just to clarify a few things, at the state level, they will never be able to see your student names. They will only be able to see the percentage of students that were assessed and the percentage of the assessed students that were at a level 1, a level 2, or a level 3. So there would never be a circumstance that at a coordinator level or at a state level that the people that are looking at the data would ever be able to see names of students. In closing, I would like to remind you, if you haven't already, please take the IHT survey. This allows us to make sure that we're meeting the demands and the needs of our customers. If you want more information, please contact myself or Lois. Our emails are as follows: bev@ihtusa.com or lois@ihtusa.com. Thank you again for using our IHT video library.